Nowadays, there are all these apps where you can invest a fraction of a share or a fraction of cryptocurrency. It's accessible to the everyday person. I'm thinking about in the context of the market that we're in right now. The entrepreneur starting out or the small business owner starting out thinking, I'll just invest on Robinhood or just buy some cryptocurrency. Because I would think that the way the world is moving right now, a lot of people think about taking on those things to do them themselves through the many ways that you can do it now.
Okay, yeah. So people that want to do it on their own, they need three things. They need the time, they need some knowledge of it, just not a lot, but some knowledge, and then the emotional fortitude. If you don't have much money and you're just doing extra change, then I don't know, it's fine. But the reality is people who are really successful, they hone in on their success. They don't piddle with nonsense. And I think the best thing to do is just invest in yourself and then swirl away 15% and let it grow. And don't try to mess with it. Just find some good investments. They're not hard to find. Diversify real well and just let it go. What my experience has been, the people who over engage and just trying to do it themselves and try to find something that's going to get them rich, they never get rich. And time goes by and years go by. They really should have stopped and just made investments in their small business or in themselves academically. And then while they were doing that, swirl away 15% in some diversified portfolio. Now there comes an inflection point where the money it becomes a little larger, and then you're thinking, oh man, I don't want to mess this up because now I've got something to lose. You've got other things going on in life like a business and family. Then that's when going to an advisor makes sense and outsourcing it to somebody like us. And so that way we can carry that burden for you. There's just that inflection point where you don't want to risk it. Swirling away a couple $100. You're not going to hire an advisor to do that, but you'll know when you get to a point, you're like, I don't want to lose it. I don't want to make a mistake. And that's different for everyone, that inflection point.